Welcome back to Max class. Chapter 9. How many times? Today we can study multiplication of big numbers, that is 2 into 2 digit numbers, 3 into 2 digit numbers, etc. See here, these are big numbers, but it will be calculated very easily. Why? See here, first question, 100 into 2. See, how much 1 into 2? How much 1 into 2? 1 into 2 is 2. Then put these two zeros here. Okay, that is 100 into 2, 200. Then 3 into 1, 3 into 1, 3. Then put these three zeros here. 1, 2, 3. That is 3000. 3 into 1000 equal to 3000. Then next one, 200 into 4. 2 into 4, 2 into 4, 8. Then put these two zeros here. That is 800. Then next here 5 into 3000. 5 into 3, 5 into 3, 15. Then these three zeros put here. 15,000. 5 into 3000 is 15,000. Next one, 700 into 4. 7 into 4, 7 into 4, 28. Then put these two zeros here. 2800. Then 10 into 5. 10 into 5 എല്ലാവർക്കും അറിയാലേ. Then 1 into 5. 1 into 5. 5. Put this zero here. That is 50. Next one. 700 into 30. 7 into 3. 21. Then here two zeros. Here 1 zero. That is total 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. 21,000. 700 into 30, 21,000. Here 7 into 3, 21. Then 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros are here. Put these 3 zeros here. 21,000. Next one, 764 into 10. Tell how we can do. 764 into 1, 764. Then put this zero here. 7,640. Next one, 556 into 100. How we can do? Yes, 556 into 1, 556. Then put these two zero here. What we call this? 55,600. Next one, 45 into 1000. 1 into 45, 45. Then put these three zeros here. That is 45,000. Clear? Is it easy? Is it easy or not? Easy. Okay. In the last class we studied multiplication of 2 digit into 1 digit numbers. Once again I will tell you one example, that is 26 into 4. Is it? How we can do this? 6 into 4, 24. Remaining 2. 2 into 4, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. This type of question we already studied. Then next, 235 into 4. How we can do this? See here. First we can multiply 4 with 5. Then we can multiply 4 into 3. Then we can multiply 4 with 2. Okay. So first 4 into 5, 20. In the 20, 0 right here. 2 is remaining. Then 4 into 3, 4 into 3, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. The 14, 4 right here. 1 is remaining. Then 4 into 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 940 is the answer. See the next question. 345 into 6. 5 into 6, 30. The 30, 0 right here. 3 is remaining. Then 6 into 4, 24. 24 plus 3, 27. 27, 7 right here. 2 is remaining. Then 3 into 6 or 6 into 3, 18. 18 plus 2, 19, 20. Answer is 2070. Then next question, 560 into 5. 5 into 0, 0. 5 into 6, 30. In the 30, 0 right here, 3 is remaining. 5 into 5, 25. 25 plus 3, 28. 2800. This is 3 into 1 digit numbers. Then next we can study 2 into 2 digit numbers. Okay, are you ready? Next we can study 2 into 2 digit numbers. We can write this as 22 into 35. Like this. First we cannot consider this number. ഈ 3 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ നമ്പർ നമ്മൾ ആദ്യം കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്യണ്ട. ഈ 5 വെച്ചിട്ട് നമ്മൾ ഈ രണ്ട് നമ്പറിനെ ഇൻറ്റു ചെയ്യണം. സാധാരണ നമ്മൾ ചെയ്ത പോലെ തന്നെ 5 into 2, 5 into 2, 5 into 2, 10. 1 is remaining. Then 5 into 2, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Okay. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഈ 3 എന്നുള്ള നമ്പർ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കാതെ 5 കൊണ്ട് ഇത് രണ്ടും മിൻറ്റ് ചെയ്തു. ദെൻ ഇനി നമ്മൾ നെക്സ്റ്റ് നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യാൻ പോണത് വി ക്യാൻ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈസ് വിത്ത് 3. ഈ 3 കൊണ്ട് ഈ രണ്ട് നമ്പറിനെ ഇൻറ്റു ചെയ്യണം. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഈ 5 കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല. 5 കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്യാതെ നമ്മൾ ഈ 3 വെച്ച് ഈ രണ്ട് നമ്പറിനെ ഇൻറ്റു ചെയ്യണം. സോ 5 ശ്രദ്ധിക്കണ്ട. 3 into 2, 3 into 2. അപ്പോൾ ഇത് എഴുതുമ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കണം. നമ്മളിത് ഡിജിറ്റ് കറക്റ്റായിട്ട് എഴുതിയിട്ടില്ല എന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് ആൻസർ കിട്ടില്ല. അപ്പോൾ 2 into 5, 10. അത് ഈ 5ൻ്റെ ചോട്ടിൽ എഴുതണം. റിമൈനിങ് 1. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഡിജിറ്റ് ഈ 3ൻ്റെ ചോട്ടിൽ എഴുതണം. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഡിജിറ്റ് അതിൻ്റെ തൊട്ടപ്പുറത്ത് എഴുതണം. ഓക്കെ. അപ്പോൾ നെക്സ്റ്റ് നമ്മൾ ഈ 3 കൊണ്ട് ഇൻറ്റു ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഈ സെക്കൻഡ് ഡിജിറ്റിൻ്റെ ചോട്ടിലാണ് എഴുതുക. ഓക്കെ. 3 എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ ഇതിലെ സെക്കൻഡ് ഡിജിറ്റ് അല്ലേ. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ സെക്കൻഡ് ഡിജിറ്റിൻ്റെ ചോട്ടിലാണ് എഴുതുക. അത് കറക്റ്റായിട്ട് ശ്രദ്ധിക്കണം. 3 into 2. 3 into 2, 6. അണ്ടർ സെക്കൻഡ് ഡിജിറ്റ്. ഓക്കെ, ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചല്ലോ. ദെൻ 3 into 2 ആൾസോ 6. അത് ഇപ്പുറത്തല്ല എഴുതേണ്ടത്, ഈ അതിൻ്റെ തൊട്ട് ബാക്കിലോട്ടാണ് എഴുതേണ്ടത് 6. ഓക്കെ. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഇനി നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്ന അഡീഷനാണ്. അപ്പോൾ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്തു, ഇനി ഇത് രണ്ടും ആഡ് ചെയ്യണം. ഓക്കെ. 0 right here. 1 plus 6, 7. 1 plus 6, 7. 770. നന്നായിട്ട് മനസ്സിലാക്കിയാൽ മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ കേട്ടോ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുക. സോ 22 into 35 equal to 770. Next question, 25 into 46. See, first we can multiply 6 with 25. 6 into 5, 30. In the 30, 0 right here, 3 is remaining. 6 into 2, 12. 12 plus 3, 13, 14, 15. 15. Then, next we can multiply 4 with 25. Okay. 4 into 5, 4 into 5, 20. Where we write 0? This is second digit. So, we can write under second digit. 0 right here. 4 into 5, 20. In the 20, 0 right here. 2 is remaining. 4 into 2. 4 into 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 9, 10. 10. Right here. Okay. Next step is addition. So 0 write down. 5 plus 0, 5. 1 plus 0, 1. Then this one write down. Answer is 1150. 25 into 46 is 1150. And next question is 236 into 34. First we can multiply 4 with 236. So 4 into 6, 24. In the 24, 4 right here, 2 is remaining. Then 4 into 3. 4 into 3, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. In the 14, 4 right here, 1 is remaining. Then 4 into 2. 4 into 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 right here. Then next step is multiply 3 with 236. Okay. 3 into 6, 18. Where we write 18? Under 3. 3 is second digit. So we can write under second digit 8. In the 18, 8 right here. 1 is remaining. Then next one. 3 into 3, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. In the 10, 0 right here, 1 is remaining. Then 3 into 2, 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Then next step is addition. 4, write down. 4 plus 8, 12. In the 12, 2 right here. 1 is remaining. 1 plus 9, 10. In the 10, 0 right here. 1 is remaining. 1 plus 7, 8. 8024 is the answer. Clear? Next question. 562 into 30. What is the first step? Yes. We can multiply 3 with 562. So, 3 into 2, 6. Then 3 into 6, 18. In the 18, 8 right here, 1 is remaining. 3 into 5, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. Then next step. What is the next step? Multiply 1 with 562. So, 1 into 2, 2. Where we write 2? 1 is second digit. So, we can write under second digit. 1 into 2, 2. 1 into 6, 6. Don't write this side. Okay? Right here. Then 1 into 5, 5. Then next step. What is the next step? Addition. 6. Write down. 8 plus 2. 10. In the 10. 0 right here. 1 is remaining. 1 plus 6. 7. 7 plus 6. 13. In the 13. 3 right here. 1 is remaining. 1 plus 1. 2. 2 plus 5. 7. Answer is 7306. Next question. 59 into 42. 2 into 9, 18. Remaining 1. 2 into 5, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 4 into 9, 36. In the 36, 6 right here. 3 is remaining. 4 into 5, 20. 20 plus 3, 23. Then addition 8. Write down 1 plus 6, 7. 1 plus 3, 4. 2. Write down. 2478. Clear? Next, we can study box method. We can do multiplication in box method. 25 into 36. How we can do 25 into 36 in box method? See, first we can split 25. Split 25. 20 plus 5. Okay, so we can write 20 and 5 here. Then split 36. 30 plus 6, 36. So write here 30 plus 6, 36. Then next we can multiply. In the side of box is 30 above 20. So we can write here 30 then into 20. Next in this box in the side 30 above 5. So we can write here 30 into 5. Then here in this box in the side 6 above 20. So we can write 6 into 20. In this box in the side 6 then above 5. So we can write here 6 into 5. Then how we can do this? Here zeros are there. So we can do it easily. How we can do? 3 into 2, 6. Then put these 2 zeros here. 600. 3 into 2, 6. Then these 2 zeros here. 600. Next here 3 into 5, 15. Put this 0 here. Next one 6 into 2, 12. This 0 right here. Then 6 into 5, 30. Then we can add these all. What are them? 600. Then 150. Then 120. Then 30. Okay. We can add this all. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. 0. 0 plus 5. 5. 5 plus 2. 7. 7 plus 3. 10. The 10 0 right here. 1 is remaining. 1 plus 6. 7. 7 plus 1. 8. 8 plus 1. 9. 900 is the answer. How we can do it in common method? 25 into 36. 6 into 5, 30. 0 right here, 3 is remaining. 6 into 2, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 3 into 5, 15. 1 is remaining. 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Then 0. 5 plus 5, 10. Remaining 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 7, 9. 900. Clear? Which method is easy? Somebody have this method easily. ഇതായിരിക്കും പല കുട്ടികൾക്കും ഈസി. ഈ 2 into 2 ഡിജിറ്റ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ പല കുട്ടികളും ഇതാണ് ഈസി എന്ന് പറയാറുണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ 75 into 39. Okay, we can do it in box method. First, split 75. 70 plus 5. Then split 39. 30 plus 9. Then in this side 30 above 70. This side 30 above 5. This side 9 above 70. This side 9 above 5. First we can multiply 30 into 70. So 3 into 7, 21. Then put these 2 zeros here. 3 into 5, 15. Then put this 0 here. 9 into 7, 63. Then put this 0 here. Then 9 into 5, 45. Then we can add these all. 2100 plus 150, 630, 45. Then ഡിജിറ്റ് എഴുതുമ്പോൾ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കണം, വൺസ് ഒക്കെ വൺസിൻ്റെ ചോട്ടിൽ, ദെൻ ടെൻസിൻ്റെ ചോട്ടിൽ, ഹൺഡ്രഡ്സിൻ്റെ ചോട്ടിൽ, തൗസൻഡ്സിൻ്റെ ചോട്ടിൽ. ദെൻ ഇത് നേരെ തിരിച്ച് എഴുതുകയാണെങ്കിൽ റോങ് ആണ്. 2100, 150, 630, 45 ഇങ്ങനെ എഴുതുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ദിസ് ഈസ് റോങ്. വേണ്ട, കാരണം ഇതെന്താണ്, വൺസൊന്നും വൺസിൻ്റെ ചോട്ടിലല്ല എഴുതിയിട്ടുള്ളത് അല്ലേ, ടെൻസിൻ്റെ ചോട്ടിലല്ല, ഹൺഡ്രഡ്സിൻ്റെ ചോട്ടിലല്ല. സോ ദിസ് ഈസ് റോങ്. അപ്പോൾ എഴുതുമ്പോൾ കറക്റ്റായിട്ട് ശ്രദ്ധിക്കണം. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 5, 5. Then 0 plus 5, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 4, 12. Remaining 1. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 6, 9. 2, write down, 2925. We can do it in common method, that 9 into 5, 45. In the 45, 5 right here, 4 is remaining. 9 into 7, 63. 63 plus 4, 67. 3 into 5, 15. Then 5 right here, 1 is remaining. 3 is second digit, so write in under second digit. Okay. Then 3 into 7, 21. 21 plus 1, 22. Then we can add 5. 5 plus 7, 12. 1 is remaining. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 2 write down. Answer is 2925. Okay. Which method is easy? You can choose any method. Okay. Textbook work. All of you take page number 139. How many in 23 dozen? We already studied in the chapter 6 about dozen. What do you mean by dozen? Dozen means 12 numbers. Many things are sold by the dozen. For example, bangles, bananas are often sold by the dozen. 1 dozen bananas means 12 bananas. So 23 dozen bananas is 23 times 12. 23 into 12. നമ്മൾ പഠിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു അല്ലേ, ഡസൻ മീൻസ് 12 numbers. So 23 dozen means 23 times 12. 1 dozen is equal to 12. So 23 dozen is equal to 23 times 12. That is 23 into 12. Then 2 into 3, 6. 2 into 2, 4. 1 into 3, 3. Okay, 1 into 2, 2. Then total 6. 4 plus 3, 7. 2, write down. 276 is the answer. How we can do it in box method? First split 23, 20 plus 3. Then split 12, 10 plus 2. Then 10 into 20, 200. Then 3 into 10, 30. Then 20 into 2, 40. Then 3 into 2, 6. Then add this all. 200 plus 40 plus 30 plus 6 is 276. Then next now try doing 43 into 13. See, you can split first 43, 40 and 3. Then 13 is 10 and 3. Then 40 plus 3, 10 plus 3. 40 into 10, 400. Then 3 into 10, 30. Then 40 into 3, 120. Then 3 into 3, 9. Then add these all. That is 400 plus 120 plus 30 plus 9. 559. So 43 into 13 is equal to 559. We can do it in common method. 43 into 13. 3 into 3, 9. 3 into 4, 12. Then 1 into 3. This is the second digit, so we can write under second digit. 1 into 3, 3. Then 1 into 4, 4. 9, write down. 2 plus 3 is 5. Then 1 plus 4, 5. 559 is the answer. Okay, our answer is right. Next, practice time. You can do these questions in the notebook. Okay. Next, multiplication pattern. See here, 9 into 1 equal to 9. 9 into 2 equal to 18. 9 into 3 equal to 27. This is the multiplication table of 9. So, you can complete these all. See here, 1 and 8. 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Like this, you want to complete this all. Okay. Complete the grid by multiplying the numbers. You can complete this grid. This is the table of 1. That is 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 1, 2. 3 into 1, 3. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, this is the table of 2. 1 into 2, 2. 2 into 2, 4. 3 into 2, 6. 4 into 2, 8. Likewise. Next one, this is the table of 3. 1 3 is 3. 2 3s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 4 3s are 12. Likewise. Then next you want to write fourth table, then fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth and 10th. Like this you want to complete this all. Okay. Page number 143. Fill this space with your favorite multiplication table. You can write here your favorite multiplication table. Okay. This chapter is over. Thank you. Have a nice day.